In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To get started, first, ensure you are logged in to your monday.com account. This is a crucial step, so take a moment to enter your credentials if you haven't done so already. Once you're successfully logged in, you're ready for the next step. Now, let's open the Profile menu. In the top right corner of your screen, you will see your profile icon. This little icon is not just your identity on the platform, it also serves as the gateway to your personal settings and account customizations. Go ahead and click on this icon. After you click your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you need to navigate to the Change Theme option. You might need to hover your mouse over this option to reveal more choices, but it should be clearly visible as part of the options presented. Once you're hovering over Change Theme, you will see a submenu that displays different color schemes available for your interface. Here's where the magic happens. Simply look for and click on the option labeled Dark. This will instantly initiate the change, and just like that, you can enjoy the new look. The interface will transform from the standard light theme to a sleek dark palette. This switch not only changes the aesthetics of your workspace, but can also be easier on the eyes, especially if you're working late or in low-light conditions. It's also worth noting that having a darker theme may help reduce eye strain during extended periods of work. Plus, many people simply prefer the modern look that dark mode provides. And there you have it. You've successfully switched your monday.com to dark mode. Feel free to explore any additional settings or personalized themes that you might find appealing. Adjusting this setting is a simple yet effective way to enhance your user experience on the platform. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was clear and helpful. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your software tools.